Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to live stream on Facebook. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is click what's on your mind here at the top. Now click live video. There's going to be some permissions you need to agree to if it is your first time using the live stream feature. In my case, I've already used this feature in the past, so I don't have to agree to any more permissions. Anyway, once you get to this page, all you have to do is click go live at the bottom, and there will be a countdown before your live stream starts. After the 3-second countdown, your live stream should have started. Now, once you're ready to end the live stream, all you have to do is click finish at the bottom right corner, and your live stream should end automatically. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.